Now, why we may need private 5G networks? In order to understand this, let us consider some examples. And the first example that we are going to consider, it is for the industry, and we are inside a factory. And in this factory, we can see that there is lot of metal on the roof and on the wall. And as a result, this factory acts like a Faraday cage. So there is very little coverage from the outside to the inside. But inside this factory, we need connectivity not only for the employees, but we also need connectivity for the security cameras, for the robots that are there in this factory, and for the operator that is controlling these robots. And also we may need to upload the logs of the shipments that are arriving, for which we need connectivity. And in order to manage the operations inside this factory, we may need an edge computing server, for which we also need connectivity. And it is not sufficient to have one access point inside this factory for the connectivity, because different sections of this factory may be separated from one another using metal walls, again creating the Faraday effect. So this means that we need different access points at different locations inside this factory for connectivity. So we may use a private 5G network in order to cater for all these requirements of connectivity.